Hello, Gemini students. Mr. D here. I wanted to show you how to insert images into our Google slideshow. This is our Google slideshow that we're all sharing. Make someone smile. Once you go into one of these template pages, you'll see here it says engineering a smile. This blank face is where the picture of you would be. This would be your invention that makes people smile. You'll put it right here. And this will be your first name. So true to that, I'm going to write Adam. Now, I don't want you to put your last name in here. You can center it. You can center it. You can change the color of it as long as it's legible. Remember, we don't want any barfy colors here. So maybe I want to bold it, and maybe I want to do some Herrick's blue. There you go. Like I said, just make sure it is legible, and be careful with the font colors and font faces. So in order to get an image, there are multiple ways you could do that. What I'm going to do right now is I'm going to use my webcam that I have here to get a picture of myself. And here we go. You're going to go to Insert, Image, Camera. This is if you have a camera. And it'll turn your camera on. There I am right there. We're going to close that. And we're going to take a picture. I don't know if it does a countdown. Nope, wasn't ready for that one. So we're going to do it again. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Perfect. We're going to click that one. We're going to click Insert. And it's going to insert it into the slide. Now you can see I can move it around. To resize it, you can grab one of the corners and move it in. But remember, if you do the sides here, it's going to not do it proportionally. So I always recommend using the corners because that'll keep it within proportions. And as you can see, my image is way too big for the box. Now, there are several ways I can do this. I'm going to make this a little bit bigger, and that's fine. Make it a little bit bigger, just to take up the entire box. But you can see it's going bigger than the box. If you right-click here and you go to Crop Image, it's going to give you, it's not going to be arrows. They're actually going to be kind of lines on the top and the sides and kind of an L or a 90-degree angle. What you can do is if you click and drag that, it'll chop part of the image out. The top and bottom of my image is okay, and you can see now I've cropped it down. You can also use the arrow buttons or the shift arrow buttons to make minor movements here. Okay, so that's great. I've used my camera. There's my great picture. Now, as far as making people smile, well, you know, one of the things that I really enjoy doing is drawing. So what I'm going to do is I took a picture of a drawing that I made just this morning, and I uploaded it to my Google Drive. So what I'm going to show you now is how to insert from Google Drive. If you have an image that you have taken a picture of, you can email it to me and I can share it with you, and you can do that. Otherwise, if you have the capability of taking a picture and uploading it from a device through Google Drive, and you can do that with a Chromebook. If you're logged in, you can do that with a laptop, as long as they have a webcam. But if you have a device like a phone or an iPad, you can email it to me and I can upload it. Or if you have the Google Drive app on your device, you can also upload it that way. I don't know how many of you actually do that. So I'm going to click again, Insert, Image, and I'm going to go to Drive. Now, Google Drive comes up over here. This is actually the exact image I did. I'm going to double click it, and there it is. Same thing. I'm going to resize it using the corner. I'm going to put it right in the middle here. I'm going to move it up a little bit. And you know what? I am going to crop it again. I'm going to crop it just the top so it fits in here. And there you have it. So there's my image of making somebody smile with a little SpongeBob, showing you a sign that says, "We will get through this." Because I know a lot of people are feeling anxious and nervous and just sad because they're not able to interact. So through this project, you're going to be able to share a means of making someone's day better, a way of making the world a better place, even in, the challenges that we're dealing with. So I hope this explains how to insert an image or text or whatever into the Google slide. If you have any questions at all, I would ask you to please send me an email. Please comment on your Google Doc that you will be turning in. Please comment on the stream. Let me know how I can support you. And I hope to see you soon. And I hope you really enjoy this. And I hope you really push yourself creatively and critical thinking wise. Thank you so much. And miss you guys. Talk to you soon.